Hey, you're on.
Hello everybody. We are doing a quick little video of our setup, and because of where I want to dig, I'm just going to put the highbanker right in the water, since the part I want to dig is kind of in the water too. At least it will be after a couple of shovelfuls. So I just unpacked this, and now I'm setting up the legs.
Say my name.
Say my name.
No, your shirt.
I know. God damn right. As you can see, it's pretty easy. This actually, you missed it because my wife was slow on the uptake of the video. This fit right in my backpack. This whole unit. I got one of these army rucksacks. This fits in a 5-gallon bucket, which in turn fits right in the backpack. So,
You need more angle.
well, I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put it first.
Okay.
Then I'll get more angle.
Just make sure it's easy for me to feed.
Is that spot easy to feed? No? What do you want?
Maybe facing this way. The head should be right over there.
Oh, you want it outpouring over there?
Yeah.
Like that?
There. See, that's a perfect angle too.
Let's put it right here then, because this is where my water source is. I don't want to like dump everything into where I'm sucking the water from.
Okay.
It's versatile. No matter how picky your wife is. So, there.
Okay. Yes. Where did you plan to dig anyway?
I'm going to continue this hole.
Oh, okay. Just widen it.
Yeah.
All right.
So
That's where we found the most anyway, so.
Anybody that's seen our other videos, yeah, we're back on Eagle Creek. We're back in this hole. I could tell somebody's been here. This and this were not where I left them. So, but who cares?
You're making it straight. I don't want it straight.
Keep the bitchiness down. Just tell me more tilt, less tilt. Like that?
Yes, please. Thank you. I know I'm OCD with the angle. It drives my husband
And it's
nuts.
way too steep too, by the way. But who am I?
No, that's perfect. Plus you got an extension, right?
Yeah. This is my custom extension.
God, it's so hot. There's very little breeze. It's like 90 degrees.
Babe, since I'm putting this together, you're going to have to talk.
I don't know what to talk about. So he's just attaching our 50-inch sluice. You know, that's going to help ensure that we're recovering most of the gold.
Yeah, the stuff here is full of
Clay.
roots. So I really would like the extra. Even though on that last video I said, hey man, this gold hog mat catches everything. I don't want to risk it because the part I want to dig in today is particularly full of roots and clay. And I don't want to chance anything. And I'm not going to classify anything, so I want the extra 50 inches that this allows me
And then after that, we're going to set up the hoses and the pump. And we're good to go. So we did a little test pen right there. You see that rock?
We test pan
And
our favorite spot.
we didn't get anything.
Well, she didn't. I got 5 colors.
You know, I got colors in our spot.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But
Oh,
that
different
other spot, yeah, I didn't get anything there. And I lifted rocks, big ones, with my manicured nails. No gloves.
Yeah. Even though I keep telling her, put her damn gloves on. So.
We didn't get the legs, huh? At the gold show.
What?
We didn't get legs at the gold show.
No, we saw legs. I want to get some legs for this, and I just can't find the things I need. Home Depot doesn't have them. Nobody seems to have these jags with, or these legs with the adjustable slots like this.
Maybe that mining shop in Sacramento will have it.
Yeah, they might.
I'm submerging my feet in the water because it's hot.
So as you can see, it's taking me about 5 minutes, give or take, to set this up.
And here's your hole. It's full of water again.
Some people will bring levels out and stuff, but I can level it by eye, and I've had fairly good success with that. You just pay attention to the water flow once you turn your pump on, and then level it from there. As long as it's not all creeping to one side or the other, you're good.
What are we talking about?
The level.
Oh.
The correct level. Not your eyeball where you keep saying, oh, it's not available. It's too much on it for my taste.
Ooh, we're being mean to our wife. Ooh. I'm the one who knocks. Who needs a slew stand?
I'll turn the pump on and see if that works. Hey everybody, I'm just getting my pump and my hose ready. Since we're too close, I don't have short hoses. So I'm gonna have to stick my pump over here. This is fine. The water's a little deeper over there.
Oh, there's a tiny hummingbird. Oh, that's perfect. So he's just attaching the hoses, and pretty soon we're gonna get started. Now we thought we'd show you a video on setting up the highbanker because we never did this before.
Sometimes these cam and groove things are finicky. They're not in there perfect, man. They don't want to close.
Did you get it?
Yeah. But much to my wife's liking, I PVC glued this end on.
Thank you.
Because we were having issues with it falling off. Anytime you bumped it, you know, there. So, that. Don't forget to prime your pump.
There's mint, wild mint growing all around the place. So it smells really good. See? There. It smells good out here. Now I want a mojito. Can I get a mojito when we get home?
Sure.
Woot woot. God, I wish there was some breeze. It's so freaking hot. What's wrong, babe? Okay, let me straighten that. And the water is so shallow you can't even take a dip in it. Come on, pump. You want to say hi? So we're still digging in the same hole we have been for what, since February?
Yeah, since February.
And we're just expanding it.
So what happened is, I pretty much hit the bottom of this rock. I'm pretty much just following it along in all directions. And what I like is, if you can shut it, what you can see is I got a lot of overburden with roots. Look, right underneath that roots, there's a layer of gravel, which we panned out our first cleanup and it's looking really good. So what I'm doing, I'm just following the bedrock in all directions underneath all this overburden. So as you can see, I'm on solid rock pretty much everywhere, and I'm just following along. So I don't think I'd ever had a shot of me. I don't know where it cut off, but I'm just following. Okay, I got bedrock, I got a layer of gravel, then I got all this fucking roots and stuff. So that's what I'm doing. I'm kind of tearing away this upper layer of roots, taking out all the gravel until I hit the rock. And our first pan from our first cleanup is looking pretty good. So I think we have a video of this hole before we started. So I've moved a lot of dirt between my wife and I. We both moved a lot. See our tailings?
There's our setup right there.
Yeah. And what an issue we're having here is, I don't think we're going to be able to do this here much longer because the water level, we're actually using more water than the creek can provide. About every hour or so, we got to shut off and let everything rise back up because
it dries up.
Well, for example, when we got here, the water was over this. So that's my gauge. Now, this is actually when I would have shut off and let everything fill back up. But I'm almost done, so I'm just gonna run it, my little...
Yeah, we've been working for what, 4 hours?
It's almost 4. We started at 11, so almost 5.
5 hours.
Minus lunch and cigarette breaks, which the union mandates.
So yeah, we've never seen you feed the high banker before.
So I wanted to get a shot of me feeding it.
He decided to give me a break.
As you can see, I'm not classifying anything. This stuff, you don't have to. I mean, the roots will get stuck, and every once in a while you gotta go clean it out, but as far as classifying, I've fucking given that up. So, I'm gonna do a cleanup tonight, and we'll show you how we do. Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks, everyone. Happy prospecting.